Start with neck movement. Bringing your ear to the shoulder, both sides, without lifting the shoulder. To the side. Rotation. Bring the chin to the chest. To the right. Up. Back down. Left. Up. Back down. Back to the center. Right. Up. Back down. Center. Left. Up. Back down. And center. Come back. Shoulder rotation. Wide circles. Other side. Then open your hands to the side, shoulder level. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, and inhale. Exhale. Then bring the hand on the chair. Lift your left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale back. Left hand on the chair. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale back. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale back. Exhale, bend to the left. Back. Then with your left hand, hold the handle of the chair. Right hand on the back. Make sure that both feet on the ground. Inhale. Lift your chest. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the left. Inhale back. Exhale to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the left. Inhale back and bring the ankle onto the knee. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Inhale up, exhale, release, change your leg. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale, release. Stand up and place your hands onto the chair like this, shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart. Try bring your chest to the ground. Make sure your body have 90-degree angle if you can notice. Inhale. As you exhale, interlock your fingers and hang there. You can rhythmically stretch to the side. stand up and sit back onto your chair. Namaste.